To whip up your own superfood smoothie blend? Let's dive right in. This ultimate recipe is a powerhouse of nutrients, combining the best superfoods into a delicious and easy-to-make smoothie. Our first ingredient is kale, a leafy green packed with vitamins A, K, and C, not to mention its rich mineral content. For our smoothie, we'll need 2 generous handfuls of fresh, washed kale. If you're new to green smoothies, you might want to start with a smaller amount and gradually increase it. Next up, we have berries. Blueberries or strawberries, take your pick or mix and match. They're loaded with antioxidants, fiber, and vitamin C, making them a perfect addition to our superfood blend. A cup of fresh or frozen berries will do the trick. Then, we have chia seeds. These tiny seeds are a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and protein. Just a tablespoon of chia seeds will add a healthy boost to your smoothie. Now let's talk about spirulina. This blue-green algae is a protein powerhouse and is rich in B vitamins, iron, and other essential nutrients. A teaspoon of spirulina powder is enough to supercharge your smoothie with its benefits. To sweeten our smoothie naturally, we'll add a ripe banana. Besides its natural sweetness, bananas are high in potassium and vitamin B6. For a creamier texture and a dose of healthy fats, let's throw in half an avocado. Don't be put off by the fats. These are heart-healthy monounsaturated fats that are good for you. Now, to blend it all together, we'll need some liquid. You can use water, almond milk, or coconut water depending on your preference. You'll need about a cup, but you can adjust this to achieve your preferred smoothie thickness. Now let's get blending. Start by blending the kale with your chosen liquid to break down the leaves. Once that's smooth, add the rest of your ingredients and blend until creamy and smooth. And just like that, your superfood smoothie is ready. Taste it, savor it, and know that with each sip, you're nourishing your body with a plethora of essential nutrients. This superfood smoothie blend is not just a drink, it's a step towards a healthier, more energetic you. It's a feast for your taste buds and a gift for your body. You can enjoy this smoothie as a breakfast on the go, a post-workout refuel, or a midday pick-me-up. And the best part? You can mix and match with your favorite superfoods to create your own variations. There you have it, a smoothie that's a perfect blend of taste and health. Incorporating this superfood smoothie into your daily routine couldn't be easier. The beauty of this blend lies not only in its nutritional powerhouse, but also in its versatility. Whether you're a busy bee needing a quick breakfast or someone craving a midday energy boost, this smoothie is your go-to solution. Think about it. Instead of juggling multiple vitamin pills or rushing through a less than healthy meal, you can simply blend and sip. The kale brings a hefty dose of vitamins A, K, and C, while berries deliver antioxidants. Chia seeds offer fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, and spirulina rounds it off with a protein punch. It's more than a smoothie. It's a convenient, delicious, and powerful tool for health. It's a way to feed your body what it needs, when it needs it, without any hassle. Your path to a healthier lifestyle is just a blend away. Ready to take your health game to the next level? Give our ultimate superfood smoothie recipe a whirl. Don't forget to share your experiences in the comments. For more health-boosting recipes, hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for more health-boosting recipes, and until then, keep blending.